Okay, we're looking at the hand. The hand is divided into 3 regions. You have your carpals, there's 8 of them. Your metacarpals makes up your palm, and then your phalanges makes up your knuckles on. So when you look at your hand, you have 3 phalanges in each finger and then 2 in the thumb. So you have 14 phalanges total. The way you number your phalanges and your metacarpals is this is the first digit. So you say first metacarpal, second metacarpal, third, fourth, and fifth metacarpal. Now, phalanges are named according to where they're located. Proximal means closer to the body. So you have your proximal phalanges, and then if they're far, these are distal phalanges. So you would call this proximal phalange number 2, middle phalange number 2, and distal phalange number 2. On the first one, you only have a proximal and distal phalanges. When you talk about joints in between the phalanges, they're called interphalangeal joints. That just means in between. And then you have your metacarpals. You do have a joint here called the metacarpophalangeal joint, but these are just called metacarpals. You have 8 carpals, and the way you can remember them is please take Larry shopping. He's come to town. So you always start on the bottom carpals, and your carpal that is where your pinky is that you can feel is called your pisiform. So you start here and you can rotate it over. Please take Larry shopping. So you have pisiform, triquetrum, Larry, lunate, and then right here is your scaphoid. And then you come back over here. This one's one of my favorite bones. It's called the hamate. To me, it always reminded me of a ham bone. And then you say, he's come to town. But if you turn it over, you have the hamate. The capitate is under the 3rd finger. To town. Now, you have the trapezoid, and then you have the trapezium. And the way you remember the trapezium is under the thumb, and then the trapezoid is right next to it.